Yo, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I'm with my boy Big Mike. Talk to him for the one time, boy. Tell him what's good.
Boy, what's up, boy? What going on with y'all? Y'all already know what's up, boy. It's your boy Mike, aka Head Capone, back with another video with my boy Sniper Jones, y'all.
Now listen, bro.
I don't know what he doing today.
Look, bro. Did you check out the video yesterday where I pranked Holla?
Okay. I seen some of it.
Okay, cool. So I pranked Holla, bro. I gave him a pair of fake Air Jordan 1s, bro. And I let him wear them for 2 days. Before I told him, hey, look, bro, we went to Fogo de Chao, he had them fake shoes on. He went to the mall, he had them fake shoes on. And we was about to go get tacos, and I was like, bro, I just can't do you like that. So obviously today, you know, we got the podcast. Mm-hmm. So I know that energy gonna feel a little weird, because he didn't take it too nicely, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so,
he's actually very, very upset.
So basically, I just make sure I stay in between both of y'all.
Yeah, because I might have to, you know what I'm saying? I might have to, you know, give him the beats, just in case he start talking crazy. Anyways, I know a lot of you guys was on the live asking, are we still cool after we did that video? And to be honest, I don't know. So we gonna find out today.
I hope so.
Yeah. So we gonna find out today. We'll go off his vibe. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna scrap about it, we can scrap about it. If you wanna give it away, then we can give it away.
Wait. Can I referee?
Yes, you can.
Yes,
you can.
Yeah. Yeah, all right, so look, check this out. Sniper Jones versus Holla at Crazy, December 5th at the MGM.
Hey, man, a pay-per-view debut? But nah, man, Holla should be cool. We talked after the prank, and he just told me for sure he's gonna get me back. He emphasized he's gonna get me back like 4 to 5 times. I don't know what to expect, but I do know Holla's smart, just like me. He pranked me a year ago. I finally got him back like 2 days ago. So if Holla's smart, he'll take his time because he know I'm not a dummy. It's gonna be a cold day in hell before you pull one on your boy Snipe Jones.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he definitely gonna have to be patient. Anyway though, like I said, the podcast today, we probably just gonna vlog out some stuff. Also, if y'all watched the last video, Foot Locker sent your boy a pair of these. You know what I'm saying? Mike, what you think about these, bro?
Oh, that look nice. You know what I'm saying? Like some shit that you can dunk in.
Yeah. Sean Kemp's. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Real nice. You know, would like real nice on my feet though.
Oh.
You know.
So Mike actually supposed to be taking some pictures of me before we leave out, but we super late for the podcast. Mike, why didn't you just hurry up? So I told you might have to take these pictures of me, bro. I mean,
look,
what's going on?
You can't rush greatness.
What?
Okay, that's what you can't.
What?
So understand, you gonna get your damn photos.
Oh.
All right, and the rest of y'all, stay off my back. Cause I know you're in the comments right now like, oh, he should take the pictures for you. Oh, he should be a better friend. Well, you know what? F y'all.
I mean, if you seen the skit that me and Mike made on my Instagram post, it was kind of like how the UPS people treat your boxes once they ship it off. If you have not seen that, go to my IG right now. Follow Mike over there, by the way. But the skit we put together was hilarious, man. Y'all gotta watch that comedy skit. I'm gonna try to do a lot more comedy skits when I get here because actually...
No, not try more, we will.
Yeah, we will.
We shall.
Because this is actually the place I will be moving November 1st. I'll be moving in the same complex as Mike, so I'll be right next to Mike, my boy KD, and a few other content creators. So it will be a lot more fun and a lot more crazy content coming from your boy, bro. So I'm excited. Anyway, Mike, let's do this, man. Let's go to take these pics, dog.
We out.
We out.
Let's go. We out.
All right, y'all, he coming to the door right now. Let me just see what type of energy you gonna be on. My boy.
Hey, come in.
What? Damn. Nah, bro. I know we ain't doing it like, bro, you still mad? Bro, why you acting like that, bro?
You see these?
You got the real things on, bro. Hey, them actually pretty tough, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, guys, this is the first time they probably ever seen a podcast studio. I always tell you guys on Instagram when we going and when we upload a new content, but every Tuesday, if y'all don't know, me, Holla, and my boy Mike, we have a podcast called Shaking My Head Podcast that will be linked down below. And right now we on episode 6, so we've been like 6 episodes in. This is the setup we got so far, man. We got the mics here. 1, 2, 3. We got the mixer over here. I don't know what none of this is. I usually let Holla keep up with that because, I mean, after all, he's a musician out of the group. So it's only right that he knows how to work the ones and twos. So yeah, if y'all love podcast content, I'm telling y'all, this podcast is lit. We upload every single Thursday and we record these episodes every Tuesday. So if you're looking for like a consistent, funny, anything in the news, bro, any current topics, we pretty much touch base and talk about. And after all, it's hilarious, man. It's me and my boys. So make sure y'all tune into that if y'all want to see it. Make sure we get our mask. It's essential. You guys always ask me what's the name, and it really has no name, really, right? Restaurant. Right, yeah, it's literally called a restaurant. So I'm not really sure what to tell y'all, other than the fact that they do have the best steak tacos I've ever had in my life. Wow, look at that, bro. See this? This is amazing, bro. This is the definition of good food. Now, you know what I'm saying? Holla already got knee deep in his. What's your thoughts, man? What's your thoughts?
Well, we about to find out, boy.
Okay.
But it look good.
Okay. All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's cute.
Ooh. Okay. Cool, man. So after a long day of just about everything, the podcast is finally done. Linked up with Holla, linked up with the bro Mike, and now we can finally get into the package I've been literally dying to open up since I figured out I hit for the Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites. Man, my first ever Air Jordan Off-White for retail. When I tell y'all, man, like, this gotta be the luckiest. Like, today I actually hit for the orange skeleton, the Halloween joint, the Air Force orange skeleton, and they glow in the dark. Those are fire to me too. Like, I don't know how I've been winning the last few days on sneakers, bro. I really don't. And a lot of y'all be thinking I'm lucky. I guess I am now, but before then, I never won anything. And a lot of y'all think I'm spoiled too. I'm not spoiled. I don't mind losing. Losing is fine. I just hate getting finessed. That's a big difference between the two. Just don't finesse me. Don't give me like third-party company buy-in, or don't tell me a shoe is sold out when it's 10 minutes left on the raffle. Like, it's 10 minutes left on a draw. Like, don't tell me they sold out, you know, because obviously they're not. When I lose, I lose. Just don't finesse me. Anyway, let's get to this package. You know the vibes, man. I'm feeling good, y'all. An Off-White Air Jordan for you can't beat it, man. You can't beat it. The way I look at it, you put out positive energy, bro, you get it back. You know what I'm saying? So if all y'all wondering how, that's the only thing I can bring it back to. If you put out positive energy, you get it back. Here we got the Air Jordan Off-White box. Y'all already know the Swiss cheese, Huckles all in it. Man. And remember, I tried to get the black joints, but they wound up being fake when I got a deal when I was in Cleveland. So to get this pair is fire. Man, look at these. Bro, look at these, bro. These things are beautiful. I gotta, hey, y'all know I gotta go ahead and, woo! Hey, it hit a little bit different. When you got it for the retail, man, it hit a little bit different. When you got it for retail, these are crazy. And the debate right now is what colorway is better between the black and the sale. I told everybody that I would have to wait until I get the sale to make that opinion, because I done seen the black in hand, but I've never seen the sale beforehand. So this is my chance to make my honest opinion. As I'm looking over this, a lot of people say they were too yellow. The whole point of this shoe is to look aged, right? So that's how we automatically get the yellowed age sole. That's how we get like the yellowed age eyelids like above. We get this yellow aged zip line. Like, everything is supposed to be aged. So I don't mind it being yellow or I don't mind it looking like this. I think these will look better on foot. Honestly, I really do. I think that the colorway on this would definitely pop way more than the black would. I don't believe I will be swapping out my laces though. I don't really think red will look good in these, and I don't know how black will look in these, honestly. I know with the black pair, I would have definitely swapped my laces in the black pair to the white laces. That's a really clean look. I like that one a lot. As far as the Off-White 5 on the sale, I'm not sure if a lace swap looks good. I'm gonna do my research, look on Google and see before I waste my time lacing these up. But if I had to choose between the one, honestly, bro, I think I might grab these. This might be the one that I cop. And I know the irony is I hate it for retail, but I think I'm liking these a little bit more than the black. I feel like they pop a little bit more. And I like shoes that pop, honestly. All black is cool. I still want the off-white 5. So if anybody out there got a pair of the off-white Jordan 5, hit my line because I'm looking for a pair. The whole world always texts me when I'm making videos, bro. It never fails. These are crazy, man. If y'all want to see the full in-depth review, remember, I will be dropping a review and on feet. So I will not just be doing a review. I will also be doing a on feet when it comes to these because I have to throw these on the toe. I'm not reselling these. I'm not a reseller. When I get shoes like these, when I get like Travis Scott 1s, Travis Scott 1 lows, off-whites, they always go on the toe because I never plan to resell them. And I told y'all, look, I was actually planning to go all the way to Chicago for these. Ags Break. If y'all don't believe me, we gotta get a chance. Ags Break. I was literally calling him up, trying to see what the prices was like for tickets, trying to find out what hotel would be close just to move around. And wow, I mean, I get a pair of these on the humble. So thankful. Thank God. You know what I'm saying? Thank God I actually hit for a pair of these on the humble. Guys, make sure that y'all remember, man, I am doing 2 giveaways right now. It's very, very much almost over. The first giveaway with my boy, A Sneaker Life, we are giving away a pair of the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. Good luck to everybody who's going for that sneaker this weekend, but you can get a free pair if you enter our giveaway. The link to that giveaway is down below. If you take that link, it'll take you over to a list of things you have to do. You can get multiple entries. It's super easy. Just follow us on Instagram, Twitter, blah, 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 stuff like that. Next giveaway I am doing is with Rejuvenator. We are giving away a pair of Air Jordan 12 Dark Concords. In order to enter that one, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you go over to Rejuvenator, purchase at least 1 item using my link. It has to be using my link, which is down below. Once you do that, screenshot me the purchase, send it to me on Instagram and Twitter, and voila, you are entered in the Air Jordan 12 Dark Concord raffle. Or giveaway, not a raffle. I don't know why I always say raffle. Giveaway. Man, I was so thirsty for these, bro. I really was. And to get exclusive access on this is crazy. The first off-white Jordan for retail. Make sure y'all smash up the like button for this. But like I said, the review and on foot will be coming tomorrow. So make sure y'all tune in, turn the notification bells on, because I'm definitely gonna make that a banger for sure. Till next time, man, it is your boy Snapper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody wanna be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.